Okay, here I have a Dell laptop and I want to just install the Windows 10, and I have already bootable disk. I am just I pressed F12 and I have here the bootable disk. So I'll just select the USB Windows DVD SanDisk. Okay, but I have a problem while installing the Windows 10. It says unable to no, unable to install the Windows 10 in this disk, because I have to make the GPT from MBR format. Okay, so it's loading. And just you have to do simple steps. Okay, so follow me for this whole video and you will see the solution. Okay, now now just click on next. Okay, it's install now, and here setup is restarting. Now here just click shift F10 together. Okay, shift F10, so you will get this one. And now type disk part, DISKPART, disk part. Yes, hit enter. Sorry, DISKPART, disk part, hit enter. Now just wait. Okay, so you can see here it's written disk part. Okay, so type list list space disk list disk. So you will find all the hard drive here. So here 14 gigabyte is my pen drive. Okay, pen drive, and 465 is the hard drive. But before cleaning this disk, you have to aware of that you will lose all the data whatever inside your hard drive. Okay, so if you have the local disks C, D, E, F, anything, if you have kept all the files in another local disk also, you will lose that files also. Okay, so but you can recover that files later on with one software. So if you subscribe my channel, you will get that video also. And now, so I have to select the disk 0. So disk 0. Okay, so I am just typing select 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 DISK disk 0. Okay, just you have to do the space SELECT select. Okay, DISK disk 0, not this 14 one. This 14 is my pen drive. Okay, disk 0, hit enter. Yes, now disk 0 is now the selected disk. Okay, so you have to type CLEAN, clean, and hit enter. So it's formatting, your all hard drive is formatting. Okay, so whatever your drive has, so it's formatting. It's taking time because I have 465 gigabytes hard drive. So DiskSmart succeeded in cleaning the disk. Okay, now just type exit, exit, exit. again exit. So now you can proceed with your. So I am just selecting education. Okay, accept, custom. So unlocated is this one. Okay, so next. Now you can see it's installing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions after this installation, if you need any software help, just comments in the comment section. So as soon as possible I will respond. Thank you for visiting this video. Thank you.